Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing good in the overall market today. I did alright, I guess. I didn't go red, but I didn't do anything crazy either. It's not going to be a crazy video, nothing too exciting. I am profitable today. Only made a couple dollars, just took one trade, one call option on Neo. I have a pretty short video here. Got in the markets a little later, like I said I was gonna, and it does pay off because I can start to see an overall trend forming in each individual stock and the market overall. So I feel like that's a benefit to me and any new trader also. I feel like it's tough to trade the first half hour. From 9:30 to 10, it's a lot of chasing. If you're not good at reading level 2s, I feel like it's just a lot of chasing. So let's just get into the video. Started from the beginning. I'm just gonna play the whole thing out. It's only 6 minutes long. So basically I had the 5-minute and 1-minute up, and we've been in a downtrend on Neo. It opened red, it opened gap down, and has just been selling off all morning. I have a trend line of 4308 that was previously put there from maybe like 2 days ago. It was an area of support. It was an area of support that Neo bounced off of and retested a couple times. So I like that level. It's right around the whole dollar of 43, and we broke through it. I was thinking about getting in on this candle, a put, and good thing I didn't, because I think I would have got stopped out over this trend line, even though it's still trending down. So now I'm just kind of waiting. Just kind of waiting to see what happens. We're overall under every moving average. We're under the 200. We're under the 9 to 50. We're under VWAP. So it's hard to catch a dip or to do a dip trade. I feel more comfortable buying like a breakout, but I have caught dips before. But unless you're going in cheap and you're willing to add on a loser, which I really don't want to do, it's tough. You have to catch a dip at the exact point. So I'm looking for a reverse up over this trend line, over the 9, or to continue down. Looking on the level 2, I remember around 42.50 something. I'll mark out a trend line. There's a big order to buy. There's a big order on the bid. So I'm thinking that could be an area of support. If all those orders go through, the buying pressure comes in right there. 42.53, 54. So now we're kind of in between these two trend lines. Anything below 42.50, I like to short. Anything above 43.08, I like to go long or buy a call. I've been buying just inside the money contracts too. The delta's better as you go into the money, so they move better. I feel like the further out of the money you go, the faster the price decays when the stock's not going in your favor. So we're breaking above that 43.08, so I get into a call right there. I should have waited for another candle, but I don't know. I just wanted to get in. So I had some pretty strong idea that it was gonna keep moving up over that 43.08 trend line. And this is quick. I just scalped this thing. and bam, I get out right there. That's it. As soon as the next candle opened and I saw red, I got out for $3.80. I feel like I'm kind of like, I feel like my trading now, I'm so conservative with getting out that I think sometimes I get out a little too fast. Like I should have waited at least another couple seconds to see what this candle does. Because after the fact, we get a nice push. Or at least seen to 43.50. What happens around there and sold around there. Look at this, 48, 50, 55. Probably would have sold right there if I waited on that candle. And I would have made who knows how much more, but I probably would have did a little better. Well, I know it would do a little better. And then there was a lot of selling around 43.74. So I figured it would go up and bounce off there, but it's still been continuing up. And this was around 10:40. Here it is, 11:30. And yeah, that's it for this video. Around 10:40. So I started going long at this reversal, and just been kind of climbing, steadily climbing ever since. So I could have been in more profit, but you know what? That scalping technique is fast. You just get in and out. If it's a fast move, then yeah, you could really capitalize on a lot more gains. But if it starts to slow down and see a little bit of red, you know what? Better to get out there than the thing really turn on you and then you're in the red. So I'm up $3 and whatever cents. I'll take that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.